My name is Allanna Albritton, and this is how my chemistry experiment failed.
While searching for project ideas, I found a video which combined elephant toothpaste and Diet Coke and Mentos into one huge explosion. This is what I based my project on. First, I poured 5 large bottles of Diet Coke into a large bucket, then added a few swirls of liquid dish soap. In a separate container, I put 4 sticks of Mentos, 3/4 a bottle of hydrogen peroxide, and a little bit more of liquid dish soap. Finally, I combined the second container's ingredients with the first to create the reaction, and nothing happened. For comparison, here's how Diet Coke and Mentos normally looks. Here's how elephant toothpaste normally looks. Here's how elephant toothpaste chaotically looks.
Oh my god! I thought I was gonna die!
And here's a clip from the original video of what was supposed to happen. Now, let's get into what I think went wrong. I have 4 theories on why my experiment did not properly work. First, I did not use yeast in my experiment. In typical elephant toothpaste reactions, yeast is used as a catalyst to speed up the reaction between hydrogen peroxide and liquid dish soap. However, in the original video I based my project on, they did not use yeast at all. However, because the reaction was so big, I believe they added it in off camera, or the food dye they used had yeast in it. I did not use food dye or yeast in my reaction, which I feel like could be the reason the elephant toothpaste did not work. My second theory is that I did not use the right amount of each ingredient. I had based off the amount of each ingredient I used off of the video, not on official elephant toothpaste or Diet Coke and Mentos typical experiments. If I were to do this experiment again, I would find proper measurements for each of the items and base my experiment off of those rather than the video. After my reaction failed, I looked into the bucket to see what it looked like. I noticed that although the Coke fizzed up a little bit, it was incredibly soapy and the Mentos had not dissolved at all. I believe that an imbalance of proper ingredient amounts could have cancelled out the reaction. It is most likely that I put in too much liquid dish soap, which caused the Coke and Mentos to not react. And because the Coke and Mentos did not react, as well as there's no catalyst for the hydrogen peroxide, nothing happened at all. Similarly, for my next theory, I believe that I stirred up the ingredients too much, causing them to combine together too much and cancel each other out. Finally, I think I may have done the experiment too slowly as I was trying to get proper recording shots, which may have caused the ingredients to balance themselves out instead of reacting properly. Next, let's talk about how this related to what we learned in class this year. Concept-wise, Diet Coke and Mentos falls under solution chemistry and gas laws, while elephant toothpaste falls under chemical reactions. Earlier this year, we learned about different types of reactions. Elephant toothpaste is an exothermic decomposition reaction. This is because hydrogen peroxide releases energy during this change in the form of heat. Elements decompose to form the original reactants, such as A, B yields A plus B. Diet Coke and Mentos can be seen as a liquid solution. The Mentos dissolve in the Coke, thus causing an explosion. Although this is a reaction, it is technically a phase change as CO2 changes from a liquid to a gas. We also learned about Boyle's law this year. Boyle's law states that the pressure of a gas varies inversely with its volume, such as PV equals K, so as the Mentos form gas, pressure builds up and escapes in the solution. like a volcano erupting as it is usually compared to. Here are the equations for both reactions on screen now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great last few days of high school.